In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Wix site from Google. If you want your Wix site to stop appearing in Google search results, the fastest, most reliable way is to take the site offline so search engines can no longer crawl it. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that inside Wix, and I'll also explain what to expect after you unpublish. Start by logging into your Wix account and heading to your site's dashboard. If you manage more than one site, make sure you're on the correct one before you continue. The dashboard is your control center, and everything we need is there. On the left-hand sidebar, click Settings. This area contains the core controls for your site, including visibility. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Website Settings. Open that section to access options that affect whether your site is live or offline. Inside Website Settings, look for the Unpublish option. Unpublishing is different from deleting. It takes your site offline so it's no longer accessible to visitors or search engines, but it doesn't erase your content or cancel your plan. Think of it as flipping your site to private while preserving all your work in the editor. Click Unpublish. Wix will ask you to confirm this choice since it immediately affects your site's availability. Confirm by selecting Unpublish Site. As soon as you confirm, your website goes offline right away. Visitors will no longer be able to load your pages, and search engines won't be able to fetch new versions of your content. Now, a quick note about Google results. Even after your site is offline, you may still see your pages in search for a short time. That's normal. Google keeps cached copies of pages it has already discovered, and it removes them as it rechecks your site and realizes the content is no longer available. This can take a little while, depending on how often Google recrawls your domain. During this period,